This is Flying Eagle. Oop. I think this would be a better shot in the video. And lightning is rumbling again. Birdies. So cute. So cute. Ah, look at those cute birdies. Ah, me, my cute birdie. Don't be scared of the storm. I know. Alrighty, and there's our plane again. Wish that video didn't tap off. But this could be better. Just for a little vlog. So, the last video I tried getting was part of the beginning of this thunderstorm, but I'm pretty sure this will be a better shot now because it's coming over here. So I can see if there's, ooh, I think I just seen some lightning. So, it's July 30th, 2018. It is 7:20 p.m. Just enjoying out and the crackling of thunder again. It's loud. Ooh, that was cool. Interesting sounds of thunder clap. Thunder heart. Look at that cloud over there. That's an interesting one. Oh boy, it's even wrapping around, so maybe this will be a good spot. Attract some lightning too. Or some clouds too. So we'll see what I can get for this little thunder treat. So, rain's coming in, but I don't mind. Okay, the lightning will still here to. Oop, there was a good shot there. Whoa. 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 There's another one. Ooh, that's a cool looking cloud. Speaking of, let me see if we can get some. Yes. I'll bet the lightning will get closer and stuff now. Because it's moved closer. And don't worry, I'm not afraid of thunder. There's a plane again. Oh. That was cool. Oop. They're playing again. Oop. Oh, the lightning is down there, but it's over here too as well. Oh, here's a little bug. Whoa. Hey birdies. They're chirping as well. This is an interesting vlog too. And it's summer of 2018 as well. Whoa. I just saw that too. Say, there could be some activity over here too. It's mysterious. Oh boy. Kind of reminds me of a sound. I don't remember. crackling and some lightning. Whoa, okay, that was bright. Kind of like a cat. Oop, another one again. That was a, how you call that? Lightning strike, but it'll strike twice. And that plane again. Ooh, I got that on. I think I caught that. And I think it's going to be a little loud after that. Uh-oh. Oh boy. Whoa, that was a big boom. Lightning was just right there. Maybe it could be around here as well. And a little bit could be here as well. Could create some by here as well. Let's get some good shots of this. Cool. Oh. Oh. I'm gonna get clip 2 on.